You're watching DIYNate. If you enjoy this video, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to tell me about your project in the comments.
All right, on this quick episode of DIYNate, we are replacing bike pedals. I've already replaced this one over here, and this one is also beat up pretty good. It's missing the end here that should really kind of cover that. So I've got an extra bike pedal. You can also buy these on Amazon pretty easily, and you can simply swap it out. All you have to do is there's a little nut here that a crescent wrench will work really nicely on. You can unscrew it, and that's a pretty easy fix. So I'm going to show you my process. I've got some white pedals from another bike that was, trashed, and I took those and I'm putting them onto this bike, and I'm spray painting them as well to kind of make them match the black color. So let's get on to it.
All right, you're going to see me take the old pedal off here. Now, depending which pedal you're working on, you'll find that you actually turn in a different direction depending on the side of the bike that you're removing the pedal and putting the pedal back on from. The key is going to be the right side will be clockwise to put the pedal on and counterclockwise to take the pedal off. And on the left side, it'll be the reverse of that. So counterclockwise to put the pedal on and clockwise to take the pedal off. One other pointer, you'll likely see an R or an L stamped on the pedal to help you remember which pedal goes on which side of the bike. So that'll also help be a pointer for you there. I don't show it here, but it's a good idea to use some grease when you're putting on your pedals as well to make sure you can take them off again in the future if needed. Now, as I go through the process, I take off the old pedal, then I take my replacement pedal that I salvaged from another bike. It's white in color, and then I tape the reflectors with some masking tape so I can spray paint the pedal without covering the reflectors. That helps me take the pedal from a white color to a black. I let the spray paint dry for a bit, and then I thread the pedal back on the bike. At the end of this video, I'll show another view of me replacing the first pedal. Sorry it's a little out of sequence, but just in case you're looking for some other angles and views of what I'm actually doing while going through this process.
We're replacing a bike pedal. I pulled this off of a bike somebody had run over in the neighborhood, got 2 extra pedals out of it and took them off. You can see my daughter's bike right here. The pedal is pretty worn out, so we are just going to take this thing off. And all you got to do is use a crescent wrench. You just take it on the very end here, fit it around the end, you just take it, twist and turn until it starts to come off. And just like that, your pedal can be replaced. And in this case, I'm just salvaging some parts. And I'm a little hot and sweaty today, apologies for that. But once you pull the pedal off, you simply take this one. It's got a similar screw on it, and you're just gonna thread it on there, probably by hand to start with. Once you get it in there, you can really move it nice and neat. Typically, they all kind of fit the standard size, at least to my understanding, for a children's bike. So I'm just gonna thread it on there until it takes. I'm gonna flip it upright just so I can get a little better leverage on it. Okay, so now I'm going actually counterclockwise, since it's part of the trick is it goes the reverse direction when you're doing your bike, so you might have to try it both ways and see what works. But here we go. Beads of sweat dripping on my face from my afternoon of projects and activities. Just like that, we've got a solid new bike pedal. So I'm gonna tighten it in there with a crescent wrench. But I just wanted to show a quick example of how bad that pedal would have been for somebody biking. This one's at least a little better. But just like that, you can replace your pedals pretty easy. No need to buy a new bike. And I spray painted this one that actually used to be white, and so now it's black. Put a little tape over the reflectors and then peeled the tape off. So that's how you do that. As I said, I'm drippy, sweaty, and gross. But thanks for watching DIYNate. Appreciate you watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Woo!